Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to show you the lazy man way to direct mail marketing. How about making postcards right here in Canva, and you can create those postcards however you want. Maybe you have a company that already has the postcard ready for you, and all you have to do is just import into the system. I like creating my own, and then I can also personalize it. This one I didn't do well on personalization, but I am learning more about this easy way of doing the lazy man marketing. So here is the front side and here is the back side. So all I have to do is just go to the top here, click on download, and I save it as a PNG, save it, and then I will save it to my hard drive and go ahead and go back over to my program. So let's jump into the program where you can insert this card. All right, so I just jumped over to the program that I have here that you can make personalized cards, postcards, drinkware, gourmet food, all kinds of gifts, anything like that. So it does all kinds of stuff. Absolutely amazing. When you have a subscription, which is absolutely so cheap, you do get 50 5x7 greeting cards, and as you can tell, I have not been using those, so I have till April 21st to get those out. What's nice about this system is it is automatic if you go ahead and set up the campaigns just like in email marketing, and it automatically goes out for you. So one of the things I want to show you today is at the top here, it'll say saved projects, so I'll click on that. Then once I'm in my saved projects, you can see I'm making all different types of cards. I make a birthday club, I'm advertising to different places, but right here's the card I just showed you that I made with Canva. So I did go in and personalize a little bit of this and add the name. So when I go to send, it's going to be adding their name into the postcard. So one of the things I'm going to be working on is actually doing a little bit better at that. So here I can go in and click on continue editing. It brings up my saved project. And right here, it's going to plug in their first name. So it's going to say Leah, call 970-632-7577. If you're looking for the lazy man way to direct mail marketing, this is absolutely it. Here is the back side. Here will be the postage area, the address area, and the barcode for USPS. USPS? Yeah. And so right here is a lazy way to direct mail marketing, and I'm going to test out this card. So what I like about this is I can send out 10, 15, 20, 500, however many cards I want to send out, and maybe just test this. So in the upper right hand corner, I can take a look at my card and what it looks like and verify that's what I want. All right, so now I already have a list that I have in my Excel format, and this one I believe is it. So it'll be first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in to my software. So right here, I'm going to return to Save Projects. All right, so now they did change a few things, so bear with me if I don't do this the right way. But right here's my address book, so just like email marketing, it's going to go ahead and allow you to do that. Right here, I'm going to create my new list. So I'm going to call this April of 2021 because this is the list that I'm going to do for April. And I'm going to create that group. And now I want to add context. I might have done this backwards, so let's go ahead and go back to address book. And I'm going to import context now that I made that list. So let's see here. Group name, let's go with it again, April 2021. And I'm going to choose my file. So now my file was in my downloads, I believe. I should probably, let's rename it just because I'm lost at where I'm at. So my current list only has first name, last, address, and state. So I will go to the top part and do a file, save as. I'm going to do the workbook. And I like to save it as a comma delimited as a CSV format. So I'm going to do matrix leads April 2021. I'm going to put this in my matrix page. That way we know where it's at. All right, so hit yes to all the error messages that pop up. We're going to go ahead and choose the file. Scroll down to that matrix. There's my leads, and now I'm going to upload my file. There is a little video right there if you need any help on importing those lists. You know, they were saying this morning they like it a certain format. So XLSX. So let's save this again. File, save as. I think that's just this one. So I will select that. Let's hit save. And we'll come back. Let's see. I don't know if I saved it in the right place. Bear with me for just a moment. I'll fix this and come right back. All right, so that second option did work for me. So I did go ahead and select the list and import them. So right here is going to be first name, last name, and actually I probably need to go back to that because we want to do with this company who's selling me the leads, wants it to say or current resident. So what I need to do is come back to my leads here. And I'm going to have to insert a new column, or actually, let's do current. So here we want or current resident. Okay, so I can click on my list, open it up, and drag this all the way down. And now it's in there. So now I want to move this column over. Let's cut. And I believe I want it here. So I'm going to insert cut cells. All right. So now I have first, last, address, or current resident with my city, state, and zip. We're going to do a file, save as. We're going to do the workbook again. And to keep myself insane, let's do update. I want to go down to my matrix and save. All right, so that list should be updated. So now I'm going to go back to my address book. I'm going to import contacts. I'm going to choose my file. So update, upload file, name it 2021, and upload. And there we go. So company is going to be current. My street is going to be address. And I probably still need to play with this. So if somebody lives in an apartment or a trailer, it should be separated out, but I'm not going to do it. City, state, zip, country, email, phone. I don't have any of those merge fields. So I'm going to hit begin import. Contacts have been imported. Return to your address book. So now those have been imported. Here's my April 2021. You can see it's 100 contacts. I can go back to Excel and confirm. And then I always want to make sure that this looks good. So I have first name, last name, company, street, city. I just want to confirm that's correct. I don't know. and the rest look right, so interesting. And then state, postal code, and country. All right, so say this list is absolutely perfect. It's exactly what I need it to be. I have my 100 contacts. Now I'm going to go back to my main menu. I'm going to click on my cards. I'm going to do the 4x6 postcard. You have unlimited, yes, unlimited postcards with this company with your subscription. So it is absolutely zero cost to do a postcard. So I want to start with a template. I may be doing this wrong, but we will see. And you can always have ones already done for you. So tons of them are already done for you. So if you love that one, you can just select it. Some do have a cost to them. They're very low cost. It's just like doing Amazon and picking a product and running with it. You only pay the price once, so super awesome. All right, so I already made one of my own. So sorry, I'm kind of jumping around here. They just changed a few things. So let's click on Create Cards. I have my saved projects. All right, so in my saved projects, I have the Lazy Man Marketing. I want to go ahead and add it to the cart. And it shows me it's added to the cart up here. And I can check my cart. Now checking my cart allows me to see that postcard right here. Now I can select my recipient. Okay, now that we have imported our list and we want to send that postcard out to the list, we want to go ahead and do that. So here, I'm trying to figure out where I left off. I'm going to select my group because that was April 2021. Select my group. It's all going to show on the far right-hand side, so it's highlighted, has all my people in there. I'm going to do a checkout. It's going to cost me $37. Postcards are 0, 0, 0. So it's super awesome. All I have to do is click place order and off it goes. The system does everything for me. So if you'd like to learn how to do this, just let me know and I will help you. Go ahead and click on the link down below. I'll see you on my next video. Appreciate your time. Wish you a great day. And let's meet on the beaches anywhere in the world. See you next time. Bye.